Hello, my name is Joey.
Hi, I'm Azuah.
And we're going to be covering for you Set Fire to the Rain.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Alright.
Perfect.
Let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips, and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you'd say, they were never true in the games you'd play. You would always win, but I set fire to the rain. Watch it pour as I touch your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name.
When I lay with you, I could stay there, close my eyes, feel you here forever. You and me together, nothing is better. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you'd say, they were never true. And the games you play, you would always win, But I set fire to the rain, watch it burn as I touched your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name.
I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. Well, I felt something die, 'cause I knew that that was the last time. Oh, 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 let it burn. Oh, I think that take was good, though.
That was good, yeah. I like it.
I like
I
it.
like it. To the rain. I think that might have been it.
I think that was a winner.
Yeah,
I think that was such a winner.
good.
That was
good.
good. It's good.
Good.